Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to send silent messages on Instagram. So please watch the video till the very end. The first process is you tap upon the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, you need to go to the message icon on the top right. And from there you need to choose a person to whom you want to send the silent message to. So this is the contact that I am going to send a silent message. There you can see on the text box as well, there's try@silent. So what you need to do is tap on the text box and type in @. This will show you this pop-up on the top screen. If you do not see this pop-up or the silent on the top, you need to update your Instagram application. You can tap on the silent here. @silent word will be typing in your text box. Now leave a space and then you type in your message. Once you have done your message, you tap on send. Now this message will not be notified to the recipient account. This message will be received by the recipient account without any notification. So the next time you have something to say that's not really important, you can send Instagram a silent message instead of bothering them with the notification. So this is how you can send a silent message on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.